Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can change background color in WordPress. Basically you can change like background color on any section on WordPress. Now first thing you need to do guys, before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial, and let's get started right now. Okay, so first thing you need to do guys, you want to click on your site name in the top left. Now after that guys, you want to click here where it says appearance. Okay, so after guys you click on appearance, here you will see all your WordPress themes. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to click on your active theme. Okay, as you can see under your theme name, you will see here active. You want to click on it, which is going to be your theme. Now after guys you click on it, you want to click on customize. Okay, so it's going to take you guys to this page. Now what you guys need to do now is you want to just delete this. Okay, I'm going to I'm going to go back. Okay, so I'm going to click on customize, like I said, edit, and after you click guys on edit, then you want to start then changing that. You just click on anywhere here on your theme, and it's going to take you guys to this page. As you can see, now you can change the background color. You can change, for example, any color like footer color, you can change it, or you can change any color here. Okay, so first thing you need to do guys, you want to click here. As you can see, it says styles in the top right, and here you want to click on colors. You can also change, or you can also click on background. Here you will be able to add a new background image. If you want to do that, you can also like open a media library or upload the background from your own laptop or PC. Okay, so now to change the color, you just need to click here on colors, and you want to click here on background, and here you want to change the color to any color you want. As you can see, I'm going to change it to white. I can change it, for example, to this color. As you can see, I can change it to this color. You can also click on this to change it to a specific color. Okay, so you can change it to any color, as you can see here. Okay, you can change also the hover color. You can change it to any color you want. Now after you are done, you want to click on save. Okay, that's very important. You can also change the button color. Okay, you can change the button color to any color you want. For example, I'm going to show you guys exactly how it works. As you can see, this is the button color. You can also, as you can see, the background color, you can change it to any color you want. You just need to select here which color you want, and it's going to change. As you can see, white color, or as you can see, brown. I'm going to click here on heading. You can also change here. You can click on background, and you can change this. Okay, you can change it to any color you want. Okay, you can also change the button color. You can change it to any color you want. As you can see here, you can also choose one of these colors. I'm going to choose red. And as you can see, the color has changed to red. As you can see, you can also make some changes to the footer. As you can see here, you can change the text, for example, if you want to do that. Okay, that's exactly how you can do this, guys. It's very simple, very easy. Okay, as you can see, we changed now the footer color. We are going to change it to white. If we want, we can change it to white. Also this color, I'm going to change it to, say this. Okay, let's change it to this color. It seems good, better. Okay, as you can see, you can also change the text name if you want. The text color, I'm going to change it to white. As you can see, we have changed it now to white. That's exactly, guys, how you can do this. Now make sure you click on save your changes. Just save your changes in the top right, and that's exactly how you can change, guys, the background color. If this tutorial helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys next tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next tutorial, in the next tutorial.